Hey guys, so today we'll be writing an essay, but before you write an essay, you always want to have an outline. And this is a pretty basic example of an outline. So an outline is a visual plan for your paper. It gives you a good place to organize your thoughts and ideas all in one spot, and you do not write in complete sentences on an outline. Usually just write in bullet points or short ideas. So yeah, the first thing you usually start with is your topic, and it's the first thing your reader sees, and it's pretty much just a name for your paper. So you keep it short, such as my dream vacation spots. So your reader knows that is what your paper will be about. Up next is the attention getter. It is usually the first sentence of your introduction paragraph. And as you know, the introduction paragraph is your first paragraph. And as it says in the name, it should grab your reader's attention and make them want to read your paper. You can do this by quoting something or an interesting fact that you think your readers might not know. Just anything to really get their attention and reel them in. Up next is your thesis sentence or thesis statement. And the thesis statement is pretty important to your essay because it lays out what you will be talking about and in what order you will talk about it. So you have to keep your points in order. So with the thesis, you usually kind of restate the prompt, or you address the prompt in your own words, and you follow it by your 3 main points, and you keep them in that order. So 1, 2, 3, you'll put them in your thesis as 1, 2, 3 in that order. And it is also in your introduction paragraph and should follow your attention getter. Then your 3 body paragraphs come from these right here. And you start with point 1, which is your first main point, your big point. And the first thing that you put in your thesis right here. So you know how my topic was my top dream vacation spots? So here I could put Hawaii, for example. It just has to be, one solid idea or one word. Because right here under support and examples is where you elaborate. It's where you go more in depth about your main points and you can give explanation. And usually you want to have 2 to 3 supporting details, as well as examples, things that you just want to further discuss about your point, and things that you want the reader to know. So you do this for point 1, point 2, and point 3, and it's usually your body paragraph 1, 2, and 3. So they're 3 different paragraphs. And then lastly is your conclusion, which is usually your 5th paragraph. And this is where you restate your thesis in different words, and you pretty much give a quick summary of your main points and what your paper was about, and just wrap up any loose ends of your essay. So that's a pretty basic explanation of how to use the essay outline, and I hope it helps. Good luck with your writing.